Sound creates form. Form is divine love expressed as human. Sound is your connection to the divine. Join me and resonate with your perfection.
Hello, I'm Susan Haid, the founder of Lotus Tree Sound Oasis. Today I'm going to take you on a wondrous journey, a journey into sound.
Sound is one of the most ancient healing tools on the planet. Gongs have been used around the world for thousands of years, and for good reason. Far more than a tool for deep relaxation, the gong vibrates your whole body, your bones, your nerves, stimulating a deep cleanse, a cleanse that is physical, emotional, and sometimes even spiritual. The gong moves stuck energy. During a gong bath, you may experience fleeting thoughts, swirling emotions, and even physical discomforts. This is all part of the recalibration you're experiencing. There is no cause for alarm. Just keep breathing. Keep allowing. After a gong bath, you may experience strong emotions, from sadness to irritation or anger or even joy. You may also drift into a state of deep comfort and well-being during a gong bath. The sound of the gong will meet you where you are, and every gong bath you experience will be unique. Whatever stuck energy needs to be moved will be moved. One of the most beautiful attributes of the gong is that it bypasses the mind. So regardless of where your mind is at and how it might be spinning or worrying or concerning or thinking about other things, the gong vibrates all of you. The vibrations produced by the gong and many healing instruments set up a flow of energy that in turn creates resonance within the human body. The body matches or entrains to the frequency emitted by the gong and begins to sing and vibrate in harmony along with it. The entire cosmos is in perpetual motion. You as well are ever changing. The energy field created by the gong matches that which is found in the natural world. Yes, right here in nature. The resonances produced in nature are known to be healing and balancing to the human being. The gong is an expression of these natural elements. Harmony is the outcome of these high resonances. Listen to and feel the vibrations of the gong. Within these sacred sounds we find the magic of nature, the fundamental tones that house our soul and lift us into the heart of all creation. During a gong bath, you have the opportunity to let go of all human worries and concerns and reconnect with your true nature, which is joy. Here, during a gong bath, let your identity dissolve. Let yourself expand into the light and into the love that is your birthright. The gong will draw you in with her hypnotic, harmonic song, inviting you to go deeper within yourself, to access your own innate and natural healing abilities. Come receive a sonic massage. Your endocrine system will thank you. Your nervous system will thank you. Your cells, your bones, your body, mind, and spirit will receive a sonic tune-up, and all of you will thank you. Most of all, remember, sound creates form. Form is divine love, expressed as human. Sound is your connection to the divine. Resonate with your perfection. For more information, visit susanhaid.com.